In this video, I will show you how to add someone on Google Chat. First of all, open Google Chat. Then at the bottom of the screen, you will see this plus icon. Click on it. Now you can search the person's email address or name and simply add them to your chat. Next thing that we can do is create a group chat or a space. Simply click on this plus icon again. Then you can see create a space. Click on it. Then name your space or group chat. Once it's created, you can see this add member icon. Click on it. Then add in the people with their Gmail address. You can add as many people as you want. Then click on done. Then these people will also be invited to the group chat. Once they accept it, this group chat or a space will be created. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching.